You know who's going to be the point guard you'll be covering now that Dinwiddie's not going to be playing?
No, I'm not sure. We have film in a few in scouting report, so I'm sure I'll find out who I'll be guarding this time.
What were your impressions of Dinwiddie either from playing him last year or just watching film?
Well, he's a very good player. Up there, probably one of the best players in our conference. Colorado's, a very good team, with him. So, we're just going to see how they're going to be without him.
What do you remember about playing up in Colorado last year in the altitude?
I remembered it was tough. I understand the altitude. I don't know if, maybe that was a mental factor for me, but, you just got to, put that behind you and play your game. Hopefully it doesn't, matter to me this year.
Do you guys feel like you maybe hit a turning point on rebounding? Seems like that last week you guys did a lot better last two games.
I think it's one of the few things we've gotten better at. But, the hard part is to, keep it up, to be consistent with it. So, we just got to keep, everybody hitting the glass and do what we're supposed to do. And I think that'll make us a much better team.
Kyle, your personal success at rebounding, what's the key to that?
It's just something you got to have internally. You just got to have heart and tell yourself, I'm going to go get this rebound and nobody else is going to get it, besides me. So it's rebounding is just a sign of effort and playing hard.
Rubbing off on Jordan a little bit. He's been getting some more rebounds.
Yeah, he has. He's done a very good job on the glass this weekend and Thursday. So I was very happy with that.
These last two games, rebounding-wise, did they show you that you guys maybe weren't playing up to your potential earlier in the season?
Well, yeah. I mean, if you got to rebound the ball in order to win games, and there's a couple games where we got beaten on the glass, and it was a result of second chance points and offensive rebounding leads to threes or fouls. So it was something that was hurting us in the beginning of the season.
You came in as a pretty touted freshman, Zach. Same sort of thing. Has he kind of developed at the same rate that you kind of remember yourself developing at, or has it been faster for him? Or
I
what do you
think it's
think?
been much easier for him because of that great start at the season he had, which was way better than mine last year. I think I got going my freshman year in conference play where, he was fortunate to shoot, 60% from the three, to start the season. That's something not a lot of freshmen do. So, he definitely got off to a very good start and is helping us a lot.
So have you guys expecting even more out of him when he does kind of get in that conference slate?
Definitely. We win games when he's on. So I don't remember too many games he lost where he shot the ball well or played very well. So we need him to win games.
What'd you think of his windmill dunk over there? Best one of the season, or?
Nah, I think the Missouri windmill was way better than that, but that still was nasty though.
If there's a dunk better than that, then he must be pretty good at doing it at that job.
Yeah, definitely.
Cool.